Welcome to this complete The Hague, Netherlands travel guide. Nestled by the North Sea, The Hague is a fusion of history, diplomacy, and vibrant culture. It's a city where grand palaces coexist with contemporary art, where tranquil forests meet bustling beaches. We'll explore iconic landmarks such as the Binnenhof, Mauritshuis Museum, and Peace Palace, among others. We'll also delve into hidden gems like the Hague, so prepare to immerse yourself in the charm of this Dutch city. Stay tuned as we embark on this exciting journey through The Hague. Our first stop is the Binnenhof, the political heart of the Netherlands. Serenely nestled in the city centre of The Hague, the Binnenhof is not just another picturesque collection of buildings. It's a place where history comes alive, a testament to the nation's evolution and the epicenter of its political life. In the 13th century, it started as a hunting residence for the Counts of Holland. Since then, the Binnenhof has borne witness to the Netherlands' journey through the ages, seeing it transform into a vibrant democracy. Today, it houses the offices of the Prime Minister and the meeting place of both houses of the States General of the Netherlands. Visitors feel the pulse of Dutch politics as they stroll through the complex. The grand architecture, the tranquil courtyard, and the charming Hofviva pond all come together to create an experience that's as enlightening as it is entertaining. A visit to The Hague is incomplete without a visit to this monumental complex. Next, we move to the Mauritshuis Museum, a haven for art lovers. Nestled in the heart of The Hague, this museum is home to some of the best Dutch paintings from the Golden Age. Its collection is a mesmerizing spectacle of over 800 masterpieces, featuring the works of renowned artists such as Vermeer, Rembrandt, and Jan Steen. The museum itself is a gem, having been a 17th century mansion before it was converted into this magnificent art sanctuary. It elegantly combines rich history with artistic brilliance, creating an immersive experience that transcends time. Walking through its grand halls, you're not just observing art, you're stepping into the world of the artists, experiencing their perspectives, their emotions, their stories. Every painting is a portal, each one offering a unique journey. From the iconic Girl with a Pearl Earring to the dramatic The Anatomy Lesson of Dr. Nicolaas Tulp. Every piece has a tale to tell. Art enthusiasts or not, the Mauritshuis Museum is a must-visit. Our next stop is the iconic Peace Palace, symbolizing the city's long-standing commitment to international law and order. Nestled in the heart of The Hague, this monumental structure serves as more than just an architectural marvel. It is the embodiment of the city's dedication to peace and justice on an international scale. The Peace Palace came into being in the early 20th century, a testament to the vision of world peace. Housing the International Court of Justice, the Permanent Court of Arbitration, and a richly endowed library, it is a hub of legal activity. But what does this palace represent? It is a beacon, a shining light in the quest for global justice and harmony. It stands as a symbol of the relentless pursuit of peace, reminding us that even in times of conflict, the world can unite under the banner of justice. The Peace Palace truly stands as a beacon of hope and justice. Let's escape to the seaside next, to the beautiful Scheveningen Beach. A stunning stretch of golden sand, Scheveningen Beach is a delightful invitation to unwind. Its expanse offers a perfect canvas for beach activities, from sunbathing and beach volleyball to building sandcastles with the little ones. But there's more than just the sand and sea. Stroll along the vibrant Scheveningen Boulevard, lined with a variety of restaurants and cafes. Grab a bite of fresh seafood or indulge in a traditional Dutch pancake. When the sun dips, the beach transforms into a hub of nightlife with live music and performances. Thrill seekers can also ride the waves at one of the many surf schools or take a spin on the Ferris wheel for a breathtaking view of the coastline. And don't forget to visit the iconic Scheveningen Pier, a landmark that extends into the North Sea. For a relaxing day in The Hague, Scheveningen Beach is the perfect spot. Prepare to have your mind bent at our next stop, Escher in Het Paleis. This extraordinary museum is a tribute to the artistic genius of Dutch graphic artist MC Escher, whose works are renowned for their optical illusions and intricate, mathematically inspired designs. Here, you'll find a comprehensive collection of his mesmerizing pieces, each one a testament to his unique interpretation of reality. The palace itself, once the winter residence of Queen Mother Emma of the Netherlands, adds an extra layer of grandeur to the experience. As you wander through its beautifully adorned rooms, you'll be drawn into a world where perspectives shift, spaces warp, and the impossible becomes possible. From the mind-boggling infinite staircase to the transformation prints where birds morph into fish, Escher's artistry will leave you questioning the boundaries of perception. Escher in Het Paleis is more than just a gallery. It's a journey into the surreal, a place where art and mathematics intertwine in a dance of illusion and reality. Escher in Het Paleis is a journey into the surreal, not to be missed. Now, let's shrink down and explore the Netherlands in miniature at Madurodam. This fascinating park brings the entire country to your fingertips in an extraordinary way. Picture it: iconic Dutch landmarks, historical sites and cultural treasures all replicated in meticulous detail, just at a smaller scale. Imagine strolling past the iconic canals of Amsterdam, the modern skyline of Rotterdam, or the majestic Binnenhof, all within a few steps. It's not just about sightseeing, though. Madurodam is a hands-on experience. You'll find interactive displays that tell the stories behind each miniature, bringing Dutch history and culture to life in a way that's engaging for both children and adults. Whether you're marveling at the tiny tulip fields or steering ships in the miniature port, there's something for everyone. You're not just observing the Netherlands, you're interacting with it in a fun, unique way. Madurodam offers a fun, unique perspective of the Netherlands. Our next stop takes us to another art hub, the Gemeentemuseum Den Haag. Nestled in the heart of The Hague, this museum, also known as the Kunstmuseum, is a sanctuary for modern and contemporary art. It boasts an extensive collection of over 50,000 artworks ranging from painting and sculpture to fashion and music. Its rich repertoire includes pieces from renowned artists such as Piet Mondrian, whose works form a significant part of the museum's collection. The museum's architecture, designed by H.P. Berlage, is also a work of art in itself, a harmonious blend of light and space that complements the exhibits beautifully. Visitors to the Gemeentemuseum can expect a rich and diverse art experience. Whether you're a seasoned art enthusiast or a curious novice, the museum has something to offer everyone. Each visit promises a journey through art history, a chance to explore different styles, periods and mediums. The Gemeentemuseum Den Haag offers a rich, immersive art experience. Next, we pay a visit to the Royal Noordeinde Palace. Nestled in the heart of The Hague, this magnificent palace boasts a rich history that dates back to the 16th century. Originally a medieval farmhouse, it was gracefully transformed into a palace by the Dutch royal family and served as the primary residence for several monarchs. The palace's significance goes beyond its historic walls. It's not just an architectural gem, but also the working palace of the current king, Willem-Alexander. This makes it one of the few working palaces in the world, adding a unique dimension to its appeal. Visitors can marvel at the stunning exteriors, characterized by its elegant Dutch classicist style. While the interiors aren't open to the public, the royal gardens at the back are. Here, you can stroll through beautifully manicured gardens and even catch a glimpse of the royal stables. The Noordeinde Palace is a perfect example of Dutch royal elegance. Next, we step into a panoramic painting at the Panorama Mesdag. This cylindrical painting, with a staggering diameter of 40 meters, offers a 360-degree view of the sea, the dunes, and the city of Scheveningen in the late 19th century. A marvel of illusion and artistry, the painting is the work of Hendrik Willem Mesdag, a master of maritime art. The experience of walking into the Panorama Mesdag is unlike any other. It's as if you're stepping back in time, with the sights and sounds of a bygone era enveloping you from all sides. The painting's intricate details and grand scale make you feel like you're standing right in the middle of the scene. This is more than just a painting. It's an immersive journey into the past, a testament to the power of art to transport us to different times and places. The Panorama Mesdag offers a unique, immersive art experience. Finally, we end our tour with a serene walk in the Haagse Bos. This historic forest, which dates back to the Middle Ages, is a testament to The Hague's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. The forest once served as a hunting ground for nobles, and its rich history is palpable as you wander through its leafy trails. Today, the Haagse Bos is a popular destination for city dwellers and tourists alike, offering a tranquil escape from the city's energetic pace. The forest is home to a variety of flora and fauna, and its well-maintained paths invite you to stroll, jog, or even picnic under the canopy of the trees. Children can delight in the park's playgrounds, while birdwatchers might spot a rare species or two. For those interested in history, the Huis ten Bosch, a royal palace located within the forest, adds a touch of regal charm to the natural landscape. The Hague Bos offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. And that concludes our comprehensive travel guide to The Hague. We've journeyed through the historic heart of Binnenhof, marveled at the masterpieces in Mauritshuis Museum and the Escher in Het Palais. We've strolled the sands of Scheveningen Beach and admired the grandeur of the Peace Palace, Noordeinde Palace and Panorama Mesdag. We've experienced the miniature wonders of Madurodam and the artistic treasures of Gemeentemuseum Den Haag. Lastly, we've breathed in the tranquility of Hague Bos. Thank you for joining us on this journey through The Hague. Until next time, happy travels.